It shouldn't exist at all. Not yet. Not this soon. Not according to any model of cosmic birth we have ever trusted. This object is a mistake. A monster born before the universe had time to make monsters. And yet, there it sits. 13 billion light-years away, staring back at us like a wound torn open in time itself. What if everything we think we know about the beginning of everything is wrong? This right here is the story of the universe's forbidden object, and why it refuses to make sense. 300 million years after the Big Bang, the universe is a toddler. Gravity has barely finished pulling the first stars together out of the dark. There should be no time, none, for anything larger than a stellar seed to form, let alone collapse, let alone feed, let alone grow into something with the mass of 10 million suns. Think of it like this. If the universe's entire history were a single calendar year, this object would be a fully grown adult standing in the maternity ward minutes after midnight on January 1st. Physics has rules about how fast things are allowed to grow. Black holes feed at a maximum rate, the Eddington limit, a cosmic speed limit for consumption. Cross it, and the very light from the material falling in should blast the food away before it can ever be swallowed. This object broke that limit, not by a little, by staggering, almost insulting margins. It grew faster than physics allows, in less time than physics allows, at a distance so far away that the light reaching our telescopes today left before Earth even had an atmosphere. Every equation we trusted to explain how big things are allowed to get, how fast, simply falls apart in its presence. Astronomers call objects like this little red dots, a deceptively cute name for something that has quietly become one of the deepest crises in modern cosmology. The James Webb Space Telescope found dozens of them. Compact, impossibly red, impossibly bright, impossibly early. Some may be overgrown black holes, some may be something we don't even have a name for yet. Every new discovery only deepens the mystery instead of resolving it, and every attempted explanation raises 3 new questions of its own. So here is the uncomfortable question, the one that keeps astronomers up at night. What if black holes don't need dying stars to be born at all? What if some of them are primordial, relics squeezed directly out of the impossibly dense, impossibly hot chaos of the Big Bang itself, skipping the star death step entirely? What if the universe had a shortcut we never accounted for, a back door into monstrous scale that bypasses billions of years of patient growth? And if that's true, what else are we assuming about the rules of reality that might simply, quietly be wrong? Drop your theory in the comments below. I genuinely want to know what you think broke first, our math or the universe's manners. Now here's the twist that turns this from a curiosity into a genuine crisis. This object isn't sitting alone in a chaotic half-formed cluster of gas. It's sitting at the center of a galaxy that already looks mature. Spiral arms, a visible bulge, stars organized into patterns that should take billions of years to settle into place. It's as if we found a fully built city standing in a landscape that by every calculation should still be an empty desert, with no roads, no rivers, no reason for anything to be there yet. Some scientists now suspect the black hole didn't just grow inside the galaxy, it built the galaxy. Its gravity may have acted like a seed crystal, dragging gas and dust into order at a speed we never thought possible, flipping our entire model of galactic formation on its head. Black holes weren't supposed to be architects, they were supposed to be the leftovers, the debris left behind after a star's long and violent life finally came to an end. And the single red dot buried in a JWST deep field, easy to miss if you weren't looking for it, might be quietly rewriting the opening chapter of cosmic history, forcing an entire generation of astronomers to reconsider everything they thought they understood about how the first giants of the universe came to be, and how quickly monsters like it can rise from nothing. Here's the lingering thought I want to leave you with. We built our entire understanding of the universe's timeline believing we knew the speed limit of creation. This object didn't ask permission. It simply existed. Too early, too big, too fast. A quiet, glowing reminder that the universe was never obligated to follow the story we wrote for it, and never once promised to make sense on our terms. Somewhere out there, past the very edge of what we can currently explain, the universe is still keeping its oldest secrets close. And some of them are staring right back at us. 13 billion years old and utterly unapologetic, waiting patiently to see if we are brave enough to finally ask what they really are.